In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Trust Wallet to Robinhood. So first of all, open up your Robinhood app, and then from here, go in and click on Receive. And once you do that, you need to select the asset that you want to transfer, and in this case, crypto. So in this tutorial, I'm just going with Bitcoin, so I'm going to select this one in here. And now I will have my wallet address to receive the BTC for. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, and then I'm going to paste this after in Trust Wallet. So let's open that app right now. Once you're in your Trust Wallet, go ahead and click on Send. And from Send, go ahead and select the crypto asset that you're transferring. And in this case, that is BTC. So I'm going to select BTC in here. And now I need to paste in the wallet address that I just copied from my Robinhood. And now you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So go ahead and fill something in. You can select BTC or you can select it in dollars. And I'm just going with dollars. So I'm going to select something like $5. Then I'm going to click on Next. And then I will see all of the details in here, including the network fee that will be applied to this transfer. So I'm just going to click on Confirm. And once you click on Confirm, you need to verify with your passcode. And after that, you can see that the transfer is processing. So you can just go ahead and click on Transaction Details in here. And then you can see that this transfer is currently pending. So it can take a couple of minutes, maybe until an hour before your crypto is in your Robinhood. So you just need to wait for that. And after it is in your account, you will see it in your home screen. But this is how you do it. You just need to wait and then everything will be fine. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I will see you in the next one.